In this video, we're going to compare the Levoit LVAC 200 to the Eureka Rapid Clean Pro. These are great portable cordless vacuums, and they both have a couple different attachments, and you can remove a wand on both of them as well. They both work really well, but I think I prefer the Levoit one for a couple reasons. First thing is it has a removable battery on the back of it, and it's a little bit more lightweight and also just looks a little bit more sleek and modern. It also has a bigger roller brush head too, and both of them do have lights on the front of them. So I think I got to give the win to the Levoit just because this one looks a little bit cooler, and I also think the removable battery is a really nice feature to have on the Levoit LVAC.